broadcast. My name is Candice. Today we will talk about melamine. Okay, firstly, let me introduce our company first. The company was established in 12 years ago, and our boss, Mr. Gary, he has about 30 years experience in chemical industry. And meanwhile, we have technical support from the professor of Tsinghua University. At the same time, Chemical is a founding member of Taiwan E-Commerce Association. And okay, let's start the topic today. Melamine powder is a white crystal powder. It's an odorless and tasteless chemical product. The main application for melamine is melamine formaldehyde resin. MF resin. This product has good performance, like water resistance, agent resistance, flame retardant, heat resistance, and also corrosion resistance. Also, MF resin has good installation performance, and many products we see in daily life is made by MF resin, such as the paper making industry. We know the MF resin can be used to produce impregnated paper, which is widely used in the furniture boards and panels. Let's check this one. You can see different kinds of paper here. Melamine formaldehyde resin will be used to impregnate this kind of paper, and finally to be used to produce the floors or the kitchenware in our house. Okay, and another application would be like moldy compound powder, which is a melamine moldy compound powder. See this bowl. We can see this kind of bowls or chopsticks, which is manufactured by melamine moldy powder. Actually, the raw material is melamine, so melamine have wide application in our daily life. And meanwhile, it can be used in the textile industry and high-grade laminated sheet. And also, melamine is a raw material of water-reducing agent, and it can be used in weaving and coating industry, and also the flame retardant. We know that China is the world's largest melamine manufacturer base. In 2020, China produced more than about 50 million tons of melamine, among which almost 6 million tons were exported overseas. And in January and February this year, China already exported 104,000 tons of melamine. So if you want to choose a reliable melamine supplier, China is your first priority. And we can see from this map that there are 4 main manufacturer bases in China, which located in 4 different provinces in China. And as a melamine distributor, we supply melamine manufactured in 4 manufacturers. These are 4 brands of melamine, like Dahua, which is this factory, they produce high pressure melamine, which is different from the common one, because the Dahua brand, their melamine is manufactured from the Eurotech, which can be used in high-grade application. And another one is Leahard, which is very this one, Leahard, which is also a very famous brand in overseas market. And this one is a Hualu brand, and another one is the Shunten, which is famous in India market. Okay. So we can supply you these 4 main brands melamine. And this is one of our clients from Japan, Mitsubishi Chemical. we started to supply melamine to this company since about 2014, and the company has very strict requirement for melamine, but the company chose to cooperate with us. Definitely, he has fully trust on us about the quality and the delivery time. And here, this table, you can see the main details of melamine. All the melamine we supply, the quality meet with the Chinese national standard. Okay. Also, here's a test report of melamine, and with quantity about 200 metric tons, we can supply free as report for the client. Mainly about the purity, moisture, ash content, and color. We'd like to remind the client that if you want to choose a reliable melamine supplier and do not want to be cheated in this business, we have 2 tips to share with you. The first one is about that there are manufacturers in China that specialize in processing and resell low-quality melamine. But if you want to purchase melamine and only want to focus on price, you may fall into a trap. So that is the first tips we want to share with you. The second will be each application of melamine has slightly different requirements for melamine. The test result you get might be same, but you will have problems in the practice when you make the raw material into glue or into the resin. So here, these two tips are very important to the new buyer of melamine. Okay. And here we can see the package of melamine. Actually, there are 3 common packages for melamine. The first is about the 25 kg bag, and the second will be the 500 kg bag, like this one. 500 kg bag. Some clients in South Korea, they prefer this kind of bag, and 2 bags will be palletized in the pallet for easier loading. And this is the 1-ton bag, which is also called the super set bag. Some clients in Japan and Australia, they prefer this kind of bag. And except the common bag, we can also supply other bags like Mitsubishi Chemical. Sometimes this company use a smaller bag like 300 kg per bag or 200 kg per bag. And here are some loading pictures at Tianjin or Qingdao port. And each month, our melamine is shipped to overseas like Japan, Korea, Vietnam, and also Malaysia. This country uses a lot of melamine each month. Here we saw some frequently asked questions about the melamine. The first is, what is your MOQ? We'd like to inform that the MOQ for melamine is 5 pounds, so we can deliver it for you based on less container load. The second question is, what is the payment term? Of course, we prefer to use a TT payment, but letter of credit, LC, is also acceptable, but there will be additional banking charges if we use LC, okay? And what is the price? Actually, the price is fluctuating. It's not stable. It changes almost every week. So when we quote the price to the client, we will inform them that there will be a validity of the price we quote. So we will also suggest them to place order in the right timing. Okay. And the fourth will be the delivery time for melamine powder. Actually, the production for melamine each day is about 500 per day. So with quantity based on 100 pounds of melamine, the goods can be ready in 1 week. It's very fast. And here, actually, we talked about this just now. With quantity about 200 metric tons, we can supply free SGS report. Another one will be, can we print our logo on the bag? To be honest, OEM packing, like printing your logo on the bag, is not workable for the moment. But we are still trying to negotiate with our factory. Maybe it's workable in the short term, okay? And will it be okay if I only order 1 ton? So this kind of client, they want to test the quality first, so they do not want to buy with a very large quantity. It's necessary to test the quality, and 1 ton, theoretically speaking, it's okay, but based on 1 ton, you might pay additional costs like the inland transportation cost and the sea transportation cost. All these costs will lead to a higher unit price. Normally, we will ask the client, do you have goods to ship from China recently? If so, we can ship the 1 ton melamine to your warehouse in another place. That in this way, you can save cost at a maximum content, and put this 1 ton to your container of other goods, okay? And can you provide samples? Sample is workable, and free sample within 2 kilogram is acceptable, okay? But the client, the buyer, needs to bear the courier cost. How soon can I get my goods? And that depends on the distance from China to your destination country. After you inform your destination port, we will check how transportation schedule and book the earliest vessel available, so that you can get your shipment as early as possible. Okay. Okay. Actually, these are the frequently asked questions about melamine, and this is also the main content we want to share you about melamine today. And for any further questions you have about melamine and related products, you can feel free to send us emails or call us, or you can also scan this QR code, the one for WeChat and this one for WhatsApp, and we can talk more conveniently online, okay? Okay, thanks for watching today. Bye-bye.